Well, I've put the diesel heater in the garage. Just give you a demonstration of how it works. I'll just turn my stereo off first. Just give you a demonstration of how it works. One vent there. One vent there. I've got two pipes going into the back room. Now that's the heater. If you can see how small it is. Got the diesel tank down there. It's only a small one. I'm planning to get a bigger one. It's the diesel pump there. I'll just show the other shed now. It's a bit overcooled really for the size of the shed, but like I say, I can turn it down, maybe setting 1 or 2. And it will really feel the difference in here. I've got one vent there. And one down the back. But like I say, I'd have to turn it down. It's a bit warm in here, to be honest, for the size of the room. But I can alter the settings in here and in the other room, so I can make it less heat in here and more in the other room. But yeah, no more cold sheds or cold welding. I put a stereo. I had a stereo what I planned to put in the wife's car, but with the built-in surround it wouldn't fit, so I put it in here. DAB radio, CDs. Couple of old speakers. And can't play me Led Zeppelin while I'm in my shed. Anyway, I hope you like it. If you want any questions about diesel heaters, how much they run, this is the controller. Like I say, turn it down to 1. I'll go up to 6. But 6 is way too hot for in here. You do get a slight ticking noise from pump, but like I say in here, you put radio up, it's you'll not hear it. But anyway, that's about it. I plan to use old cooking oil. I've got some filter bags here, micron filters, micron 10 and a micron 1, to filter any crap out of it, and then mix it with paraffin. I have a couple of jugs down here somewhere, and then I should be able to run it on that. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask.